Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the AMD version of the Lenovo ThinkPad T14s and what's inside of it. Getting inside of this notebook requires the undoing of 5 Phillips head screws. Then, you just need to pry your way around the device, starting from the back and you're done. Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you. The cooling solution employs a huge heat pipe and a medium-sized fan. Sadly, this business laptop doesn't have upgradable memory. Yes, you can purchase it with either 8, 16, or 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM working at 3200 MHz, but you can never upgrade it. Then again, you have one M.2 SSD slot, which fits PCIe X4 drives. By the way, right next to the Wi-Fi 6 enabled adapter, there is the optional WAN card, which supports a 4G LTE connection. And for power away of the plug, you get a 57 watt-hours battery pack. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.